Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing a very special G-Force Logitech mouse. There you go, Logitech G right here. This is the G502 X Plus, and it can display up to 16.8 million lights with its RGB mode. As you can see, it's in breathing RGB mode right now. It's not connected to anything right now, but when you connect it to software, you can adjust up to 8 zones of how you want it lit. There's also a light here on the very top that will turn on as well. You can adjust that. You can actually change out this switch on the side, and that's located right here. So you can adjust the DPI switch with this. If you don't want that DPI switch, you can change it out there. And then here is the LIGHTSPEED Logibolt connector right there. And then they also give you a charging cable that's USB-A to USB-C and an adapter that's USB-C to USB-A. So if you need to use that, they include that in the box. And here is the charging port right up front. So you can actually use it while it's charging. And on the bottom you have an on and off button right there. So this only pairs to one device at a time because it does so much. So here's a set of buttons right here. Here's another set of buttons right there, and it's adjusting the lighting. As you can see, different lights on this are very cool. That's a white light. It's an orange light. Then you have buttons on top right here, and then a super fast scroll wheel. And this has been fully redesigned. Now we'll get to the actual details of this on the back. You can go ahead and pause this anytime. We're just going to show it and read it, but will be in the description below. So you have that LIGHTSPEED connector, which is right there, that does the wireless. It has 13 programmable controls. That's a lot. Has adjustable DPI, which I showed you. You can actually change out the DPI button right there. 16.8 million colors. It has a Hero 25K sensor. So that would be this on the bottom right there. That's the sensor. It has that LIGHTSPEED connection. That's always very good from Logitech. They have that with a couple of their different devices, keyboards included, from Logitech G. And you can scroll super fast, like I said, with this scroll wheel right here. But I really like that you can control 8 different zones of lighting on this watch with their software. And here's some more details right here. Again, they will be in the description, but you can go ahead and pause that and take a quick read right there. Okay, that is the Logitech G502 X with adjustable lighting, RGB lighting. It's cool. You get different lights, and they go all over this mouse. And it's quite light. It lasts for about, it has a battery that lasts about 120 hours in constant motion and 37 hours in RGB mode. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.